With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. Here we have the lens cover camera. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Remove the screws from the middle frame. We remove the NFC antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Now we remove the flex. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. Now we remove the screen connector. Now we remove the flex. Remove the headphone jack. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We disconnect the front camera. We remove the screw. We disconnect the two coaxial antennas. Lift gently the device motherboard. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We remove the screws. Remove the headphone jack. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub-motherboard. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen. Now we remove the earpiece speaker. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. We remove the proximity sensor. Now it's time to install the new screen. Now we return with the disassembly process. Now it's time to check if the device works properly.